So we're at the Watagans.
He's in vlog mode. Hey, listen, I didn't sign a talent release form, but I guess I'd need talent.
All set up.
Taking a tour, Jay? Gonna promise you a flight. 3 times the price is, you know.
H3O.
Yeah.
Hang on, isn't H3O? No, O3, that's ozone, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is This is trihydrogen oxide.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, yeah.
I'm not convinced that comes off.
Yeah, they thought of this.
Yeah.
In a big tree.
Is it?
Oh, right. Rice.
Listen, the journey down is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
The destination, not so much.
I'm looking for you.
Is this the second round? Where'd you end up? Listen,
Look, Moses, we thought you'd gone for 40 days and 40 nights, so it's
there's a whole story that's worth telling when the camera is not rolling.
canyoning.
Yeah, feel like right.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
100 frames per second. 100 frames per second.
Oh, this would be nice for the footage. 100 FPS. You get the washing of hands in the slow motion.
I thought you dropped the phone.
Oh no. I zipped up my pocket.
You're just breaking that.
Yeah.
A bit busier now.